What is nutrient burn and how do I avoid it? Well, nutrient burn is basically a toxic symptom in a plant. So when a plant takes one of the components of a nutrient blend and absorbs too much of it, it can cause a toxicity in the plant, and it will show in a leaf either burning, discoloring, curling, whatever it might be. So there's different forms of nutrient burn, and you have to be careful because a lot of nutrient burns can also have the same identifying factors that deficiencies when the plant isn't getting enough of a certain nutrient. So you have to be careful with that. The best way to go about it is if you don't know how much nutrients your plant can uptake, start on the lighter side of things and slowly build up in ppm until you start to see either overly dark green foliage or slight tip burn, and then pull back from there by 100 ppm or so.